Gari and beans, also known as Gobe, is one of the most delicious and popular dishes you'll find on the streets of Ghana. It used to be the cheapest, but not now. To make your Gobe delicious, there is one thing you must get right. Stay with me as we go through Gobe recipe. Hello guys, you are welcome once again to MWH Cooking Chat channel. Your friend Pefia, sending me the kakan. We are going to go through gari and beans recipe. So this is my beans and I soak it overnight. You can soak it for 2 hours, 1 hour or 30 minutes to make it cook faster. And you can soak it overnight too. I soak mine overnight, and as you can see, it has released some gases that for me substances you see on it. So after that, you wash it about 2 or 3 times, and you have to hand pick it into another bowl. This beans is from the local market, so you can find a lot of stuffs in it. If you hand pick it like this into another bowl, if there are stones in it, it will be settled under the bowl so that you don't add it to your beans and cook it. Before I know beans, you have to add a little chopped onions, depending on the quantity of beans you are cooking. Na ode onion kakra aka ho. Ehuru kakra eya apeno, then you add your salt. Kaisa with the salt eka ho ahyase na ebemma na yedin na asasana no. Please, you don't need any of these 3 nails, cubes or a count as we call it in Ghana to make your meals tasty or make your beans soften easily. I don't just understand why people will use cubes in anything that they cook. Please, Yaria Dawson, protect yourself and your family. There are certain things this time around you I was a Mr. Gobe yemfa cube into why. So from here you just make your other ingredients ready. So you make your pepper sauce, fry your oil, peel your ripe plantain and fry it. Just as I'm doing. Inti Gobe no enhye da enye gidigidi bia, unlike oye beans stew obeye tomato sauce gravy kakransa na all the beans na gumu no Gobe yenye ne sa. Inti de wo se wo hye no nso an say no matter how good your other ingredients will be, you have to get a very tasty palm oil. Inti me ye Gobe eya me tell you so enkwan de eya na all the time it has good taste. So wanya ne sa enwo bia obefa no anye da inti ne etade zumi eye Gobe no. So wanya good ana tasty oil emfa ho ne how good your other ingredient will come out. You will not have a good or tasty or delicious Gobe. Me that say inti ye Gobe no yenwo no na ya cheso kama no enwo no wo so wo cheso wutwa je ne kakra ene mako na wa jama no kakra gum na wa cheso mu ahwe na aye kama say yenkwanwo a unhia mpo se obeye ne sa inti Gobe na me serve no kai hunu say pe bo den pa inti we me soro di ni sa ma me pe ba me twitwa me ye Gobe na me di bia ka ho inti ye Gobe na aye ready no ekusua na eka ho enuma we hia edi be ye Gobe ni na me dofo hye ne so say abrabo de eya disua inti de wonamu na bia no hye ne so pa ne kai hu say chiru bibi. Don't just pass through life experiences, let them pass through you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and share for all your loved ones. See you in another video. Bye.